Okay, so now I'm going to take my green to pick up a little color from our grass skirt. And I'm going to make a smaller circle. Use the same cutters. I'm actually going to cornstarch this a little bit because I don't want it to have any chance of sticking. Alright. So I used this blue one, so let's give it, let me see how the...
Where do you get these cutters?
I got these as a prize.
Oh, good. So we have no idea.
So I,
all right, folks. Good luck to you.
And I threw away the package it came in. I don't know. I do know, here, I do know I have, again, not specifically cake cutters. Oh, these are a Teco. This is the same kind of one. They're not quite the same shape, but they have, it's kind of a similar shape. You can really find them anywhere. They're scalloped cookie cutters.
That's what the name is.
There's nothing.
Scalloped cookie cutters.
There's nothing, you know, nothing special about them.
Except that one has, those particular
are two-sided.
Are two-sided, and they're cutty on both sides.
Yeah, they hurt. Obviously,
be careful.
This is
Wear
the first
gloves
time,
when smooshing it down.
This is the first time I've used it, so I didn't know that.
Yeah, wear gloves.
Yeah. All right. So I'm
or
kind
get
of
somebody else to do it and don't tell them.
Pushing in the little rough edges, and I'm going to. I can feel this one isn't that sticky, so I'm just going to put a little water on there, and I'm going to bring my cake back and center that.
Very colorful.
Inside, give it a little more color. Got a little pink in here. Get off there. Like that. And now we're going to make our fun flowers a little more fun. So I'm going to get our hibiscus that we made.
Even more fun? I'm not sure we can handle that.
All right, so I'm going to bring over my hibiscus, all of them.
You made a few in advance, didn't you?
I did. I made 3 in advance because I didn't think you guys needed to see me do it 3 times.
I just had to clarify, otherwise you're going to think they multiply back there in your corner.
They did. They did.
You made 3 and now there's, you know.
Now there's 6. All right. And I am going to take my luster dust, a little bit of vodka. And I realized that my local grocery store must think I have a problem because about once every 2 weeks I go in and buy a giant jug of the cheapest vodka I can find.
There you go.
Yeah, and they probably think, man, that woman drinks a lot of really, really cheap vodka.
Let 'em.
But I don't. I use it for this. So I'm using, this is Super Pearl, and it's a pearl dust luster dust because I want it to really shine. And then I'm also using cotton candy sparkle dust because I want our flowers to have sparkle. And
the little opener you're using right there.
This little opener is the best thing ever. This was a little prize you get when you go to Cake Camp. This says Cake Camp 2009 on it. And when you register, you get a little goodie bag that has all kinds of fun little stuff in it. This is one of those fun little things, again.
And if you can't make it, is it, what do they call it, a church key?
I think this is a little church key. You can get them, you know, they're just little bottle openers.
The bottom line is you don't want to even try to open those little tiny petal dust and luster dust without one of those.
No, they're impossible. They're absolutely, actually.
There'll be very little dust left in the container and a lot on your floor.
They're actually really difficult to open. They're like welded together.
Welded shut.
So
so the little church key, little opener like that.
this is a great thing. Even with the church key, sometimes they're difficult to open. All right. So we're doing a little pink and a little petal, a little sparkle, Super Pearl, and we're going to give these. Come on out. Okay, it was reluctant to come out of the jar. All right, and so then we're going to take a little bit of vodka because vodka evaporates, and that's what you want to use to paint these with. So I've got my little bit, and I'm just mixing the vodka in with the color, and then I'm just going to brush the color on just to give it. I'm not being exact. I'm just going kind of up and down the petals to give them a little bit of sparkle and shimmer, like that with the pink. And I'm doing the pink to bring out the pink of the flower, like this. And you can see I'm not being exact. If you are one of those people, then you can be exact. I think it looks fine just like this.
Little shimmer, little sparkle.
Little shimmer, little sparkle. So we're starting with the pink, like this. Gonna go on around on all of them.